Hello guys, welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday. November the 23rd, 2020. The last Sudoku is a tectonic one with 4 stars. And this will be number 1925. Alright, so let's get started. Can we see here, or can we find the single box? I cannot see a single box, only a dual box. The dual box is always 1 and a 2. We have a 2 here, so don't choose there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, let me mark those. 1 and a 2. This is a 1 and a 2. Alright. We have a 1 here. That means those 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. Then these 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then this box cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place a 1 here, then those 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, and this is occupied by another digit. I cannot place the 1 here. This is a 2. I need a 1 in one of those 4 boxes, so this is not the solution. I cannot place a 1 here, so the 1 should be here. That is the conclusion. Alright. So now we have a 1 here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. The 3 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those, 3 and a 4. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be a 3. This box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. So 2 boxes left. The 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5. These 2 boxes are left for the 1 and the 5. Let me mark them. 1 and a 5. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 3 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them. I cannot fill this yet. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 3. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then. Let me see. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those. 3 and a 4. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so and that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left for the 4. This box, cannot tell. Let me see. This box cannot be a 2 or 1. So the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 1, so it's 2 or 5. 2 or 5. 1, 2, 5. So this box could be 3 or 4. Cannot be a 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 5. Yes. Let me think. Two, place a 1. The difficult part is this one. Okay. This box should be 3 or 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 5. So 3, 4. So the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. So the 3 and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 5, or that box could be a 5. 5, 3 and a 4. This should be also 3 or 4. Cannot be a 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 5. Yes, 3 or 4. This box cannot be a 2 because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. If I place a 2 here, this box cannot be a 2. Yeah. 2. Think. I missed something. 2, 5, and 3. 1, 2. Box gonna be 5. This box. Ooh. Think. What's wrong? This box. This box, it cannot be a 1, because I need a 1 in one of those 4 boxes. Cannot be a 3, I need a 3 in one of those 4 boxes. Cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left, this should be a 2. Yes, so it's connected, this box. Alright. So the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 5. I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 box left should be the 3. Now we have a 3 here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here. So 1 box left should be the 4. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in this box. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 4 and the 3 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this T area for the number 3. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. I have here a 2 and a 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 5 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those, 5 and the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 5 and the 4. That means 1, 2. 4 and a 5. Can I place the 5 here? 5 could be everywhere. Can I place the 4 here? 4 could be everywhere. And the 3 should be there. We have a 5 here. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 4. Now we have a 5 here. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. And 1 box left should be the 4. Yes, finish in 30 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Tectonic, 4 stars, a.k.a. Suguru. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new ones to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Tuesday. Bye bye, and see you then.